Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a little mini walkie-talkie device here. And so it is a SR610A walkie-talkie. So that's what it looks like there. And these are them. Look at how small these are, how cute. So this is what they look like there. And then we have, it comes with two chargers, so we can charge them each individually, and it has USB to USB-C adapters. And then we have the little cable lengths here, and we have the earpiece for it. So let's try these things out here. Let me open these up here and try this on. So let's see what we got here. So we have, oh, do we have different sizes of the earpiece? Yeah, I guess so. There's like a small, medium, and large. I don't know if you can see. I'll show you what it looks like here. So you can see there's those different sizes there. I'll just go right in the medium one here. And it looks like it's just going to go over this whole apparatus here. And so there. So now we have an earpiece thing on. Not sure exactly how I'll wear it. I guess does it go not that way, it goes this way. And then it goes in my ear. So it'll be like that. So can you see it? Okay. And then we have the little walkie-talkie will go into the USB port on there. And then I can clip it on, but let's see, how do we turn this on? So here we go. Turning it on, it's got the little peely piece off of it here. Take that off. And then this one here I will turn on as well. And I'll go ahead and plug this one in. I don't know if it needs it for the sound, but we will put it in. So we will have two of these. Oops, oh, there goes the rubber piece. Okay, so there we go. So now we have them both on number 2. And then, let's see. I heard something, I heard a beep. Hello, okay. Hello, oh, I hear it. Let's see if I go this way here. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, I hear it. Let's see, how can I do it? I'll put it right here. Hello, how are you? Hopefully you can hear this. Yes, this is how it works. So it is a little bit of a tinny kind of feel like a walkie-talkie, but how cool is that? It's got push to talk in there, and then what are these other buttons here? What is P? P? Hello? Hello? I don't know. I guess it just changes channels and different stuff like that. And oh, it sounds really good. It's really cool. This is good. Oh, my Alexa started talking. But that's super cool and super convenient and small. And it's got the little clip on it, so I could just clip it right now. I have it hanging. I could just clip it on here somewhere. Where's the clip? Oop, I'm just talking. I could clip it on to my hood right there. And then I just know whenever I want to talk, I just go like that. And now I'm talking to the person on this end. I am. So there we go. So that's pretty cool. So it's just kind of a nice little mini walkie-talkie to have. Makes it nice and easy. So this would be great for doing any kind of like work, like when I'm working up in the attic and stuff and I'm trying to talk to the guys down below or setting up some circuit breakers or things like that. Just kind of nice and convenient to have these around so you can just always be in communication when you need to, and very cool. So these are nice little mini ones. That's great to have small ones. I'm not sure what the distance will be. Let's see if it has any other information that I might be missing on it here. I don't ever go too far because it'll just be like in a house or something like that, or at a place working on stuff. But pretty much easy to go. So this one sets off by the. But yeah, I don't know, just seems pretty cool. So super neat. I mean, that's a really nice little walkie-talkie system. So definitely going to be handy for me doing any type of work that I do. So totally good. Thumbs up for sure.